close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's at perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, resentment. Just washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose, allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Remembering again that each and every time you hear me say the words deep sleep, with your permission and only with your permission, you allow yourself to return to this depth or even deeper, 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 quickly, soundly, deeply. And the physical body relaxes, and with that relaxation comes a wonderful sense of calm well-being of body and mind. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Maybe one of your favorite places in the world. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of this world. Allowing yourself to remember that it is here for you as much as anyone else. And it is here for them as much as you, and they don't need you to give it to them. We have different ways of helping each other. We have different ways of serving each other. And allowing yourself to recognize that you saying yes to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance is a gift to others. And in this beautiful place, allowing yourself to feel your feet on the earth and feel the energy of the earth coming up through the layers of the earth into your feet and into your body, and allowing yourself to feel grounded and powerful, such that you feel safe. Feeling connected to this beautiful planet, feeling connected to all that is, such that if somebody in their own fear and misunderstanding chooses to criticize you, to judge you, water off a duck's back. You can allow yourself to say, thanks, but no thanks. Allowing yourself to feel that you are here in your power, connected to the source of all energy, such that other people have no power over you. Their words, it's just noise. You can take what's useful. You can look and see if there's anything in there that's beneficial. Sometimes people say things and we might say, oh, that's useful. Yes, thank you. And other times it's just their own fear, their own misunderstandings. And allowing yourself to feel grounded in your own power, reclaiming your power. And allowing yourself to feel the love that's there. So you have the power to respond with love. Forgiving yourself if you don't always do that perfectly. Progress, not perfection. Allowing yourself to know that you are a gift to this world. Giving yourself permission to share that gift. It's a gift that won't be right for everybody, but a gift that is definitely right for a certain number of people. And allowing yourself to be in that place of love as you share the gift that you are, and as you treat yourself with more love. And allowing yourself to treat yourself with even more love. Let's go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling much more loving toward yourself. Feeling much more in your own power. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now I go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back